Joanna was a sex surrogate when you married her?
Yes.
Did it turn you on?
Objection.
Did it turn you on?
Get him.
Become a parent, you look
Get
at
him,
things.
Ziva.
That's a yes. It turned you on. I told her I wanted her. We wanted to start a family.
She's a chicken. He's gonna get her first.
Jump at him, Ziva.
So women should only work until they become wives, because that's their real calling. And women should only do until their real lives start, which is mothering. I didn't ask her to quit curing cancer or quit teaching kids to be concert violinists. I asked her to give up.
What's up, Trev?
Water, please.
I can't see Ziva. Who was that? He said no thanks. I'm good. Oh, it's okay. She's still over there. Oh, getting her courage. Nope, psych. Changed her mind.